What is up, guys? This is RT Kev with another banger. Today's video is going to be I am adding a Mopar decal on the top of my windshield. And if you guys remember, I just got my windshield tinted the other day, well, last week on Friday. So I'm going to add a Mopar decal at the top of the windshield. So I just waxed up the car, cleaned it up pretty good, and I'm going to go ahead and add that sticker. And I'm also going to be telling you guys about some other things that I'm going to do. So stay tuned, and I will be right back. Hey guys, just real quick, I want to touch on something that is very serious that I'm very worried about everybody with, and that is COVID-19. As we see, the president and the first lady has contracted the disease. This disease is serious. People need to wear their masks. If you want to get back to life how it was, wear your mask and let's defeat the virus. I'm not on either political side, and I really do feel for the president and his wife and his staff. But guys, wear your mask. Is that simple. Okay, please, I want everybody to be safe, and this disease is serious. All right, so wear your mask, guys. Okay, now back to the program. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick video of the decal. Remember to follow me on Instagram at RTKev19. And remember to subscribe, comment, like, share, hit the bell, whatever you got to do. You have a question? Ask me. Okay? I appreciate all my new subscribers. And until the next video, I am out.